Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Erik.Sakshaug, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this brand new 2019 Bay Star 3124. There's lots to see on this coach. Come on in, let's have a look around. Right, starting in the back of this brand new 2019 Bay Star 3124, first thing that we really should be talking about is the fact that over here we've got a full wall slide. That goes down the entire length of the coach, and that means that in addition to the slide where the king bed is over here, you've got a whole bunch of space here. This is really going to give you that home away from home feel in your bedroom. It'll be the end of any claustrophobia that anybody ever has in one of these things. You've got a beautiful king size bed back here. You've got power on both sides of the bed. Little nightstands here, so that'll be more than sufficient to power a CPAP machine. No worries. From there, big huge wardrobe space back there with hanging rod and everything. Lots of room. From there, dresser space down below, TV well strategically placed. As we get out into this area, let's talk about the bathroom a little bit. As you can see, lots of room in here, and this is a 36-inch diameter shower, so I've got lots of room to move around. I'm about 5'9", I weigh about 200 pounds, so no worries. With my back against the wall, my fingers are just barely scratching the surface over there. And then from there, check out the amount of storage you've got above and below. So lots of good stuff in here. Now, because you've got that full wall slide that we talked about, the beautiful thing is that in this area of the coach, there's really no pinch points. If I get right up here shoulder, you can have another person walk right by shoulder to shoulder. We're not going to get stuck. That also allows for other features like this. You've got a great storage space here that would be perfect for linens or extra food, and then here you do have a proper pantry with slide out trays built in. These shelves are all 100% fully adjustable, no worries. As we move a little further in the coach, all the furniture in here is of course going to be flex steel, as you would expect in any Newmar coach. You are going to have the dinette, and then from there you've got storage down below, which can be very convenient and quite handy. As we move a little bit further forward, you also have a jackknife sofa in this case, but you can also option in a side folding sleeper sofa with a queen bed in it. You are going to have your 10 cubic foot refrigerator here. You're going to have flush mounted solid surface countertops here. That's a little bit of a change from 2018. And then from there, you're going to have your residential convection unit up top. And of course, the best cabinetry and the best woodwork in the business. As we work our way a little further forward into the cab space, you are going to have 6-way power for both of these seats. This one here will in fact turn around and double as a recliner. And then from there, you do of course have a Ford F53 chassis. You're going to have 2 monitors up here, and this one here is specifically for the cameras. So side view camera, rear view camera, and then this here is fully dedicated to your entertainment. That actually is a great safety feature that Newmar thought about, because you'll never have to fumble around with any of this stuff to see exactly what's going on around you. So navigation is going to have, you're going to have the Rand McNally Excite system built into this as well, and that's a really powerful system for any RVer to have, because this is going to be an RV specific system. You enter in the specifics for your coach as far as height, width, and length, and it won't let you go anywhere that you can't go. So whether you're looking for some place to eat, some place to stay, or some place to just park for a minute and rest, it'll never steer you wrong. It's a great system to have. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about the inside of this coach. Let's go have a look at the wonderful exterior. Right, on the exterior of this brand new 2019 3124, first things first, let's examine this beautiful paint job. This is BASF paint, full body paint from Newmar, exactly as you would expect. You're also going to have the side view cameras here, because we all know that safety is #1. From there, you're going to have, it's important to note, you're going to have the 22.5-inch wheels. So the Bay Star Sport's going to have 19.5, so this is going to put you on a heavier suspension, a heavier chassis, give you a smoother, a little bit more stable ride. Another big thing that's different is that all of these compartments are going to open this way rather than opening up. So slam latch compartments all the way around, and as you can see, because we're doing it that way, lots more storage in here. As we work our way around, just more and more and more storage, including when we get to the back. So one big thing to note, you are going to have a 5500 watt Onan generator there. That does mean you have 2 AC units on top. Combine that with Newmar's high quality 3-inch walls, 6-inch thick roof, basically the best insulation in the industry. You're going to have no problems keeping warm in the winter, also keeping cool in the summer, no problems. And then again, just check out the amount of storage that you've got. Those 2 compartments are going to go pretty much all the way through the coach. As we move our way around the back, you are of course going to have side or rear view camera. You're going to have 5,000-pound towing, ladder that's firmly mounted in there so you can scamper up, do your own seal work if you want. And then from there, you've got easy access to your power. You'll note you've already got a surge guard built into your transfer switch there. And then of course, more and more of all of that wonderful storage. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about this brand new 2019 3124 Bay Star. Again, as I'm sure you know, there's some small little details that I haven't had a chance to talk about, and believe me, I'd love to have a conversation with you so that you and your family can make an informed decision. Please feel free to contact me using the information below on the screen, or if you'd like, contact me direct on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.